Hello, it's Shikha Kushwaha. I'm going to present the demo for the Total Graphics assignment for the OOP module. The requirement 1 consists of following questions. The first question goes like LBU graphics jar properly added to project. So in your project, as we can see that the LBU graphics jar is properly imported inside the external libraries. Similarly, let's move into the next question, which says project contains main class Java sets up LBU graphics correctly by extending LBU graphics, or you have moved on and done this in Total Graphics and made an object of this in main class Java. So I have extended the LBU graphics in Total Graphics Java here, and then I have called its object in the main class Java. Moving on to the next question, which says that correctly call LBU graphics about method, the total animation is displayed, so your code then show it running. So for the about method, the code goes like this, and when we run this command, we have to type about, and the OOP animation is drawn as the question has asked us to do. Okay, so moving on to the next question, which says that main class Java has a main method which creates an object. So here in the main class, here is the class, and it has created an object for Total Graphics Java. Moving on to the last question, which says the about method is called when, and then type about. So we have already done this question, hence the requirement 1 is completed. Requirement 2 is all about command support. The first question is pen down command working, show in your code. First of all, this is the code for pen down, and I will show you how it works. So when we type pen down, it will make the turtle ready to draw lines. The next two questions about the move command works, you can tick this if it works without or with a parameter is almost same. So here is the code for the move command, and it works like this. So move 100. The next two question is about the reverse command works. You can tick this if it works without or with a parameter. So your code then show the turtle moving in response to the user typing reverse. Okay, the code for the reverse is here, and when we provide reverse with a parameter, it will exactly work how we wanted it to work. Now moving to the next question, which is about the left command. Left command works, you can take this if it works without or with a parameter, so your code, and the question below it is also same. So we would be doing both the question at the same time. First of all, we will type here left 90, and then we will type move 100. So after this, there is the question for right commands, where we see that right command work. You can take this if it works without or with a parameter. Again, the code for the right is here, and when we pass the right command with a parameter, it will work like this. After this, there is pen up command working. Type pen up and then write 90 and move 100. If all is working with parameter, you should see an shape. So first of all, we type pen up, then we move right 90, and then we move 100. Okay, so we can see the N shape, and the turtle is at the bottom left facing the left side. The code for pen up command is here. The another question is about 4 colors. So we will move as we set the color down. So first we will set the color to white, and then we will move it, and then another color would be blue, and then I will again move 100, and then I might set the color to green, and then again move 100. So here are the 4 colors, which are green, blue, white and red. Okay, after that it is said clear command working, show in your code, and then show it displaying, clearing the display. So when we type clear, it will clear the display, and as per the code, here is the code for clearing the display. Okay, so another question is about reset command working. So first of all, we are asked to type right 90 and then move 100. Okay, so after that we are supposed to type reset. The reset function will return the total to the center and point down. So I have done this, so I have ticked it yes, and this is the requirement 2. Requirement 3 is about validating command. The first question is reports invalid commands. Type XXX and it should report that it is an invalid command. Show your code, then show it detecting an invalid command. First of all, I will show you the code. Here is the code, and now I will show you how it works. Now when I type XXX, it will provide an invalid command. Please enter a command like pen up, pen down, etc. Okay, now let's move into the another question, which says detect valid command with missing parameter. Type move with no parameter. It should report that there is a missing. Show your code. As I have already shown you the code, now I will run this. So when I type move without any parameter, it will say that it will require one parameter and will show you the example also. So I have taken this. Now moving on to the next question, which says detects non-numeric parameter. Type move XXX with a non-numeric parameter. It should report the missing parameter to the user. First of all, I will show you by running in the GUI. It will show invalid number. Format for distance in forward or move command must be an integer. For its code, here is the code for them. Now for the another question is the bound parameters. For example, you could show that you can't move the total off the screen, or you can pass negative number or excessively large number. So if I type here move 700, it will pass a error that distance value must be greater than 0 and smaller than 500, and you entered 700. So this was the completion of the requirement 3. Requirement 4 is saving and loading. The first question is save command works to save an image. Draw something with the command. So in your code, draw something, save it, open the image in a paint package. First of all, I will show you the code for storing the image. Here is the code for storing the image. Now I will draw something. Okay, so first of all, let's draw a simple square. Okay, after drawing, I will save this image as square, and then again I will save the command as well. I will just store the command as S. Okay, so I will show you the image with the paint package. Okay, so here is the image in the paint package. Moving on to the next question, it is said how the load command works. Clear the screen, then open up your image on the total display. So in your code, draw something and save it, clear the screen, then open up your image on the total display. First of all, I will show you the code of load image, and save command history. Then I will start drawing whatever is needed. First of all, I was asked to clear, and then I will again draw something. So F90, move 100, F90, move 100. After drawing this, I will again save this image. I will save this image as C. I will clear this, and then I will load the image. Okay, so here the image is loaded successfully, and in this way our second question is also completed. Now for the third question, it is said that save all command previously typed as a text file show in your code. Draw something and save the command. Show the command in the text editor. The code for loading the command history is here, and I will show you the text file in the here is the command which was typed down while doing all those things. The last question talk about loading a text file of command and executes them. Use the command saved in the previous section, so in your code. Draw something, save the command, clear the image, run the saved command to show the image recreated from the command. The command should be displayed either in the text field or on the console. So before this, I will show you the command for all for storing the image, loading the image, saving the command history, and loading the command history. Then I will run this file again, and we will draw something. Okay, so okay, then I will save it. Okay, I will clear this, and I will load the command, and here it is. Okay. For the next question, it is said that a warning is displayed somewhere, console or dialog box, if the current image is not saved, which I have already done earlier, so I have ticked it as yes. And again, a warning is displayed using a GUI dialog box, so I have also done this, so I have ticked this also as yes. And here the requirement 4 is complete. Requirement 5, inheritance. The first question says override the about method so that it still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name, so in your code, so the new about method working. So first of all, I will show you the about method code which is present here. Now I will show you how does it work. When I type here about, it will start to make the OOP animation that it also made previously, and at the end of this animation my name would be displayed. Okay, so after this, let's move to second question, which says implement a square length command. Turtle should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position, so it working. So in your code, how did you do this? For implementing this, I have created a function called draw square, which is okay, so which is here, and now I will show you how does it work. First of all, I will clear this. And then I will type square. Let's type 80, so it will draw the square. Okay, After doing this, let's move to another question, which is a pen red green blue command that takes three parameters, one for red, one for green and one for blue to make an RGB color. Show in your code. So the new pen command working create three different colors. So the code for this different pen color is here, and now I will show you how does this command work. First of all, I will clear this and then I will reset the total. Let's do it. First of all, I will use pen and then 255 comma 234 comma 89, and then I will just do this and move 100. Okay, so here is one color. I will do right 90 and then again pen 0 comma 255 comma 0 and then again move 100. So here is another different color, and then again I will do left 90 and then I will set the pen to 28, 234 and 202, and then I will move 90. So here are the three different colors that is displayed using the pen color method. Similarly, for the next question, it is said pen width command that alters the pen width for all the further drawing operations. So in your code and then show the new command working. First of all, I will show you how this works. Clear and then reset. Okay, then I will pen width would be 9 and then move 100. So the pen width is set. After this, I will show you the code for the pen width. Here is the code for the pen width. Moving on to the next question, which is a triangle size command that draws an equilateral triangle. Show in your code. So the new triangle command working. You don't have to move the total over the triangle. Okay, so for drawing this, I have created a function called equilateral one parameter. For running this, I will just have to clear this and then reset. I will just use triangle and then triangle and let's do 60. So it will draw the triangle. Now moving on to the next question, which is a for the triangle command which specified three sides that draw any triangle. Hint: triangle side 1, side 2, side 3. First of all, I will show you the code for triangle with the three side, and then I will show you the code. Here, triangle. Okay, so it worked exactly how we wanted. Now moving into the things that are not a specific requirement on the marking scheme, I have decided to draw a nested spiral. The code for this is here. Here is the code for the nested spiral, which consists of 8 spirals of different colors, which is defined here. Now I will run the code and you can see the result. Okay, when I type spiral, it will draw 8 different circles with the 8 different color. Okay, now moving on to the next thing which I have done is allowed the user to set the background color using the RGB values. Here is the code for background color. Now the user is allowed to type the RGB values of their own choice. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is how we set the background color. And at last I have also decided to add a simple help command which will show all the commands which are present in the project, and the code for this is also given here. Now I will quickly run this and show you. When I type help, a dialog box is shown like this. Okay, and after this I have already shown this form in the demo, so I have ticked yes. I have put my name group in the readme. I have also explained my code. Now I will submit this form now and then upload my YouTube demo, and then come back and edit my form to paste in the YouTube link below. Okay, so I will submit it now.